What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see, we're finally back in the shop, and actually for you guys it hasn't been that long, but for us it's been like a week. Reason being, it's been raining like crazy in California, and in the shop it's super loud. It's not the rain that's actually stopping us, it's just the fact that we can't record anything in here because the rain hitting the metals across the roofing, it's just super loud and you can't hear anything other than the rain. But without further ado, today we're gonna go ahead and take off that knuckle that we've been trying to take off for, I don't know, like a week like I said, as well as head up to the shop tomorrow so we can actually get some numbers crunched in and figure out how much it's gonna cost to get all this body work done and frame and anything else we need to do. So without further ado, if you guys wanna find out if this is actually gonna be worth it, wait till the end of the video. Other than that, let's go ahead and actually see what's gonna happen. Alright guys, so before we go ahead and get started, I want to give a huge shout out to LED All Things. They actually went ahead and hooked me up with this dope panel. It actually comes with 3 modes. So we have the still mode, we have a slow flashing mode, and then we have the fast flashing mode. So I will go ahead and actually do a review on these panels later on in a separate video. But if you guys want to go ahead and check them out, I will go ahead and put a link in my description right now. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this knuckle. Alright guys, so as you remember, we had taken off the actual brake pads. So we're gonna go ahead and take off these back bolts behind here so we can actually remove what's holding it right here. So let's go ahead and get that off. Alright, so now we went ahead and took that off. We're going to go ahead and actually take off the hub assembly and basically take off all the other screws or bolts that's holding on to the knuckle. But when we take off the hub assembly, you actually have to take off all that stuff anyways. So we'll just do that all together. Go. Alright guys, so as you saw, we finally got that knuckle off. It was a pain in the ass and I busted my knuckles literally a couple times, as well as cut my wrist a little bit. But that's just the name of the game. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys in the morning. We're gonna go ahead and get some dessert to celebrate getting that knuckle off. So shout out to Estella for actually helping me today. She was actually down there, and since the guys couldn't come out today. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys in the morning. Right now we're actually sitting outside Jordan's house waiting for him to get ready. We have a stereo right here. We're gonna go ahead to the shop right now to go talk to the instructor so we can see if he can hook us up and see if what we're gonna need to buy and whatnot. So without further ado, I will see you guys at the shop.
If you do end up getting used parts from like LKQ, most of the time they have a lot of them available. Make sure and actually order them. If they have one on the shelf, you don't have to paint the inside, and it's a lot. It depends on what you're paying for it. If you can buy a whole back end of a car and it's got all the stuff you need, and we'll buy quarter panels, just those structural pieces, it might make sense. I mean, you can add up the trunk lid and bumper and the rear body panel and all these parts and go, wow, yeah, that makes sense. I don't know, were they talking price?
Yeah, they offered me $2,000 for everything, with the windshield, everything.
Man, that's not too bad. I mean, right now we were at $8,000 and we're not even.
Yeah.
closed. So, but that's not parts. Look, I can go in here and show you. We should be banging labor too, parts and labor and usage of everything. So, I put 12 in it and you sell it for 20. You pull that one off, you need to make some money. This is a big, big job.